Good day, I'm Cody Ann Barrett and welcome to Frontline Business. Commerce Minister Audit Shaw says attention will be given to boosting Jamaica's position in international trade. He disclosed that this will be done by having the country's trading standards aligned to international agreements. Giving the opening remarks at the Pan American Standard Commission's General Assembly in Montego Bay, St. James on Monday, Mr. Shaw said there have been changes in consumer behavior worldwide. He highlighted that consumers are demanding higher products and higher standards. As a result, he said manufacturers and retailers will have to redefine the way they operate.
With the thrust towards more complex global supply chains, organizations will need to change and become more responsive to these developments. Equally, as a region, we must continue the efforts to safeguard the interests of both producers and consumers. We must remain committed to achieving international accord on all technical matters relating to the exchange of goods and services between one nation and another, which is the ultimate goal of standardization.
Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, SOS, has purchased equipment used to manufacture various types of writing books as well as the brand name Seek. This purchase will allow SOS to enter the manufacturing industry in Jamaica, starting with books, and a plan to continue to manufacture other stationery products in the future. The machinery purchased included ruling machines, guillotines, gluing machines, stapling machines, and book presses. SOS said the total value of the purchase is 60 million Jamaican dollars and is being financed through a bond with Jamaica National. It expects that the total investment, including machinery, raw materials, and renovations, would exceed 80 million Jamaican dollars. Noble Group, the crisis-hit commodity trader and part owner of Jamalco, has moved to win the support of shareholders for its debt-for-equity swap by sweetening the terms of the proposed deal and reappointing its founder to the board. Under the new terms, shareholders will get a 15% stake in the restructured company, replacing an earlier proposal that would have given investors 10% plus an option over a further 7.5%. In addition, Richard Ellman, who resigned last month because of differences with the board over the deal, will be reappointed as an executive director. In return, Ellman has pledged to vote his 17.9% stake in favor of the deal, which will see Noble's senior debt halves but control of the company pass to a group of banks and senior creditors. Noble needs backing from 51% of its shareholders for the deal. In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 105 points to close at 300,121. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 45 stocks, of which 25 advanced, 13 declined, and 7 traded firm. The Junior Market Index declined by 1 point to close at 2,904. Among the winners were 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement, and Siboney Group. Stocks declined for Cargo Handlers, Caribbean Cream, Carreras Limited, Elite Diagnostic, and Epley Limited. Stocks traded firm for Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Caribbean Producers, Express Catering, ISP Finance Services, and Jetcon Corporation. NCB Financial Group was the volume leader with over 1 million units, followed by Siboney Group with 962,000 units and Radio Jamaica with 227,000 units. On the foreign exchange market, $125.12 is the average selling rate for the American currency. The Canadian dollar is costing $99.68, while the pound sterling is trading at $177.56 and the euro for $154.93. News in oil. Oil prices rose on Tuesday as support from the possibility of supply disruptions and a strong equities market offset the effects of profit taken following last week's rally above three-year highs. Brent crude oil futures gained 16 cents to settle at $71.58 a barrel, while U.S. crude futures rose 30 cents to settle at $66.52 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.